Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how my 2024 went and what are some of the things that I want to achieve in 2025. And maybe if you guys want to also achieve some of the things in 2025, you may try to listen to me and it will help you to, like plan better for next year. And if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below or chat me on Instagram. Anything will be fine. So let's get into today's content. So basically 2024 started really well and is actually ending really well. And I think it's one of the best trading year I've had since I started trading. I've been trading for 2.5 years now, and I really think that 2024 is actually the best out of them. Why? Because first in January, I started a new Forex prop firms, Multiverse funding. And Multiverse funding is a HFT prop firms and as well as a normal two-step evaluation prop firms. So if you guys want to get funded with Multiverse funding, feel free to check the link below this video, right? So the prop firm till now is working fine, and we introduced new things such as 12 hours payout processing time, where you request your payout and you get paid the same day you have requested, which is really massive. So more good news are coming for Multiverse funding in 2025 as well. So make sure you join the community right now to stay focused and get every single announcement. So that would be for me creating a company, Multiverse funding. And for the trading side, everything is going perfect as well, because I was able to get funded with so many companies, and eventually I reached a milestone of $600,000 in funding, which is massive. I was actually able to get funded with few companies, including FTMO, Alpha Capital, Funding Pips, FundingX, and SNX. Of course, I did blow some account as well, but the good thing is I was able to get some massive amount of payout. Starting with FTMO, I think the first I started was Alpha Capital. I got my first funding account with Alpha Capital. That was, I think, July or June, so I think, and I got my payout. The first payout was actually like a $4,000 payout. I was really happy. And as I'm talking here, overall payout I had with Alpha Capital, I have over 8,000, pretty much $9,000 in payout with Alpha Capital Group. And then I also got funded with FTMO, which I have over $7,000 in payout within, I think, 3 different payouts. And I also have some payout with Funding Pips. I think 2 payout is $6,600 payout, which is actually my biggest payout of the year. I've never had any payout bigger than the payout I've got with Funding Pips, which is a $6,600 payout, which is again massive. And then I have another payout with them, which is a $2,000 payout. So everything is up to like 6, 7, 8, I think pretty much not my 9,000 in payout with Funding Pips. I also got funded with FundingX. I had like multiple payout with FundingX. I think I have like 4 to 5 payout with them already, and everything combined is up to 8,000. And as I'm making this video, I even have like an account here with FundingX, which I'm going to request for a payout by 17 December, which is in like 8 days. So everything is massive. Like trading part is really massive. I've had a lot of payout. I think everything combined, like all the payout I've had this year, could be up to $50,000 in payout, which is again massive for me. Okay, and I hope that in 2025 I should be able to make even more. I think my goal is to hit at least $100,000 to $200,000 in payout in 2025. I don't know if I will be able to achieve it. If I do, that would be perfect. And maybe I may be able to use that money to buy a house, or I don't know, do anything. But I'm trying to like look into the real estate thing. So probably that would be something that I may have to like start in 2025. So 2024, as I'm saying, got a lot of payout, got a lot of funding, and created a company. Just a massive year for me. I can just thank enough, right? It's really awesome. And 2025, as I'm saying, I need more payout and then more good news for Multiverse funding coming. And then I don't know. And good thing is, like in 2024, I was able to change some life of my students. You guys know I have a mentorship. If you are not yet like in my mentorship, make sure you check the link below if you want to join. But I have some few students which when they joined my mentorship, they did not have any money. Like they were not funded basically. And then as I'm talking here, they were able to get like more payout. I have one of my students which has like pretty much over $10,000 in payout alone. And I have another one which he got, I think, three payout on the row, which is like 3,000 or almost like $3,000 in payout within the last 2 or 3 months. So I'm really happy to see my students succeed as well. So I'm really happy I'm able to teach the skill I know to people and they're able to replicate it for themselves. If you guys want to do the same, you know what to do. Just check the link below or you can chat me. If you have any question, feel free to check out to me. And one more thing is I have one more surprise for you guys. I've met someone special. So this is my girlfriend, right? We've been dating since August. So that's like how many months now?
5 months now.
5 months now. Okay, that's perfect. So say hi to.
Hey,
Is there anything you want to do in 2025?
I want to learn how to trade.
Okay, that's perfect. So we are going to be killing gold and EU and all that. Five. Okay, that's perfect. So I really hope that 2025 is gonna be massive, both for us and for trading and everything in between. And I really hope you guys for the best as well. If you have any questions, feel free. Thank you.